Welcome. Here we've got the E360 Ace by Vantrue. They supplied me this dash cam, which is very kind of them. Here's a demonstration of it using it as a selfie stick. Just going through the steps, removing it from the car, and then putting it onto the actual stick, which has got 2 batteries in it to run it. Screwing the tripod on the bottom, and I'm placing it on the roof. All the audio you hear from the camera is from the camera without it being modified. This at the moment is from my Nikon camera. So just putting that on. Just be careful when you're putting the camera onto the tripod here that you hang onto the monitor, you hang onto the camera, as it can fall off quite easily.
Set of green lights in the front. It's booted.
And I'll show you menu options, just a few.
Put in now. Start this.
I may have paused the video there. Now here we are, the menu touchscreen, and how you'd get to the handheld settings, and see you've got 4 different options: 360, 360i, landscape, and portrait. That audio is coming straight from the camera without any enhancement. Here's a guy riding up a hill, doing a pretty good job, really.
Doing well.
I reckon I can hear him panting. Slight glitch in the video editing there. Not the camera's fault.
This is 14 by 14 by 30 frames.
I mean, 1440 is what I mean.
This is 14 by 14 by 30 frames.
Again, 1440, 2K.
This is the 360 eyes with the eyelids half down.
A resolution of 5184 by 1944. Unusual aspect ratio of 24:9.
Sort of selfie shot. 14:14.
It's the portrait mode.
30 frames.
Roughly 9:16 aspect ratio. 9:16 aspect ratio. And also the stick has got the capability of charging your phone, so if you're desperate for a battery charger, it's that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.